In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Canva t-shirt design. Whether you're designing a t-shirt for your business, a group event, or just a fun personal project, Canva makes the process straightforward and enjoyable. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to Canva's website. If you haven't already got an account, it's quick to sign up and it's free. Once you're logged in, at the top of the page, you'll find the search bar. Here, you'll type in t-shirt design to see all the creative templates Canva has curated just for this purpose. There's a wide array of options designed for different styles and themes, so feel free to take your time browsing through the selections. When you find a template that speaks to your vision, simply click on it. This action will prompt a larger view of the template where you can explore its features in more detail. Once you're satisfied with your choice, look for the button that says Customize this template. This is the exciting part where you can bring your unique touches to the design. The customization process is straightforward and intuitive. You can edit the text, change fonts, adjust colors, and even add your own images if you like. Canva offers a host of free elements to choose from, so feel free to experiment and play around with different combinations until you're happy with how your t-shirt design looks. Remember, creativity has no bounds, so let your imagination run wild. As you work on your design, keep in mind some basic design principles like balance, contrast, and alignment to ensure that your final product is visually appealing. Pay attention to color harmony as well. Using colors that complement each other can really elevate your design from good to great. If at any point you feel like taking a break, you can save your progress and return to it later. Once you're satisfied with your design, double-check everything to ensure no details are missing. Afterward, you'll need to download your final design. Choose the format that best suits your needs, whether it's PNG for images or PDF for print. This step ensures that your design is crisp and clear when it's transferred to fabric. Congratulations! You've just created a fabulous t-shirt design using Canva. With your design ready, you can now proceed to have your t-shirt printed. There are plenty of online print services or local printers that can bring your digital design to life on fabric. Thanks for following along. I hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial and found it helpful. If you have any questions or want more tips, feel free to leave a comment. Happy designing, and see you in the next video.